reporters. Question for Anne and or Etienne.
Yes, as you could see, there's been quite a lot of rain, including during the opening ceremony in the last couple of days. But we're monitoring very closely. The level of the Seine is going down rapidly. The weather forecast is, bright and shiny, especially for today. It's going to be hot. So we're confident that we will be able to hold, even though we canceled the familiarization this morning, the competition tomorrow and Wednesday, and we still have a contingency plan that is in place for Friday, just in case. But as far as we are concerned, we are still confident to be able to hold the competition tomorrow. With respect to your questions about the flow of the river, we measure it by cube meter per second. Definitely it's been much higher than it is normally during this time of the year, but the guidelines, which is 1 meter per second to be able to hold the competition, is today met. So we don't have an issue in respect to the current.
There's been discussions about the quality of the...
We have to wait, and we don't do, fiction scenarios. We are very respectful of the athletes, and they are the heart of the Olympic Games. We've done everything we could in relation with the International Federation, but also with the public authorities to achieve the goal of having the swimmable Seine, and it's going to be a fantastic legacy for later. And we're still optimistic that we can hold the competition within the Seine River. We have contingency plan, so we hope that tomorrow morning when they'll welcome, they'll be able to participate, and that's how it stands right now. Donc là-dessus, le protocole est très clair. Il est connu, il a été aussi appliqué pendant les tests event l'année dernière. Donc la décision sera prise à 4 heures du matin sur la base des prélèvements qui sont faits 24 heures avant dans le cadre d'un protocole qui a été arrêté avec la Fédération internationale qui a en dernier recours la décision. Décision est prise en commun avec l'organisateur, le CIO et la Fédération internationale. Dès 4 heures du matin, la décision est prise. Les délégations sont informées directement, de manière à ce que les athlètes puissent être mis au courant aussi rapidement que possible. Un statement est issue dans la foulée de la décision à 4 heures du matin. I will not give you any figure right now. We're still measuring things as we go. We got different points and different measure points throughout the day. We also have a tool that is called a collimander, which is some kind of a tool that anticipates what is going to be coming, and the collimander is showing is going down. So that's why we say that we are optimistic for tomorrow. But statement will be made throughout the day. I think so. I think we have a communication later on today in that respect to give you the trend. We make the call at 4 a.m. Yes.
Okay, we're going to go gentlemen here, then we're going to come across to Rachel over there. Thank you.